Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the Assignment Dropbox to submit assignments. So there's two different ways that you can do this. You can go to Tools and click on Assignments. When you find the assignment that you want to submit, at the time of this recording, we had one assignment. You click on the assignment that you'd like to submit, that's the Dropbox. And then all you have to do is click Add File. Find the assignment on your computer that you'd like to submit, so you have to know where you saved the assignment at. And then click Add. And you can see that it's been added here. And then all you have to do is click Submit. And that will submit your assignment. The other way that you can do it is straight through content. If you know the day that your assignment is due, which you should know, you can go directly to that day. And so I'm going to go to the Let's Get Started unit. And this assignment was due Friday, August 9th. And so whichever date it is that you need to submit the assignment, you find that assignment and you go to that date, and then here we go. The assignment Dropbox is listed on that date. And when you click on it, again, you do the same thing. It says drop files here or click below. And so I'm going to click upload. I will find the assignment that I want to submit. It's listed there. And then I click submit. And that is how you submit an assignment to the Assignment Dropbox.